Colors play a significant role in defining a modern kitchen. Neutral tones remain a favorite choice, with white, gray, and beige forming the foundation of many designs. These timeless shades create a clean, open feel and serve as a perfect backdrop for more daring accents. For those who love a bolder look, darker colors are on the rise. Deep greens, charcoal grays, navy blues, and even matte blacks are becoming popular choices for cabinetry. These shades, when paired with lighter countertops, metallic fixtures, or soft lighting, create a dramatic yet elegant look. A kitchen with matte black cabinets, a marble backsplash, and brushed gold hardware is both trendy